Hey, what are you wearing today?
Let's learn clothes together.
I wear a t-shirt every day, blue jeans when I go and play. My jacket keeps me warm at night, my trainers fit my feet just right. A scarf is nice when days are cold, gloves and boots for snow I'm told. A sweater and a cozy coat, a cap can sit above my throat. In my wardrobe look and see, lots of clothes for you and me. Shirt, skirt, trousers, shoes, so many clothes that we can choose. Dress, hoodie, shorts and tie, put them on and let's go outside. Socks, sandals, sunglasses too. What are you wearing? How about you? Raincoat, belt, handbag, hat, learning new words just like that. My pajamas are soft at night, my swimsuit fits me really tight. I wear flip-flops at the beach, these are easy words to teach. A blouse is pretty light and clean, leggings can be black or green. Tracksuit for the gym or run, fashion learning can be fun. Try on clothes at the shop today, pick your favorite right away. Big or small, short or tall, there are different clothes for all. Shirt, skirt, trousers, shoes, so many clothes that we can choose. Dress, hoodie, shorts and tie, wave your hands up to the sky. Socks, sandals, sunglasses too, now these words are easy for you. Raincoat, belt, handbag, hat, we learned 28 words like that. What are you wearing today? Great job! See you next time.